In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to reserve WhatsApp username. Let's get started. Meta launched early global username reservations, allowing users to claim unique identities to chat without sharing private phone numbers. Because usernames are globally unique and distributed on first come, first served basis, reserving your handle early prevents copycats from taking your name. First up, you will need to update your WhatsApp to its latest version, so head over to App Store or Play Store. Then search for the app WhatsApp. Once app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. After you do that, launch it. Navigate to the U page. Now go to the option account. Here, click on the option username. Click on the option create username. Type your desired name. It must be between 3 and 35 characters. If the name is free, tap done or save to link it to your account. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily reserve WhatsApp username. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.